Okay, this is Terry J. Dice back with another video.
Hey, I know how to
Subway
play that.
Surfers is a really good game. And let's continue. It takes a little while to load. It's crazy, I know, right? So, and I'm okay at it. Subway Surfers, simple game. Let me show you. So, if you haven't watched my last video, it's about me playing an epic battle simulator. Just, simply CERN. I guess I'm just gonna talk about this a little. If you get one of these, it sucks up the coins in front of you, see? So if you're like in a big area with coins, it helps. And if you use one of these keys, you can keep on going. It would disappear a lot of stuff in front of you. I don't really use keys, so I was just saving them up for this video. See, if I had, the jumping shoes just make you jump high, see? There's a few glitches I need probably worked out. There's a few games I'm working on too, but this one isn't mine. This is the game I found I want to show y'all. And I'm dead. And Facebook stuff, and that's all I want to show you. Pretty much, one more thing, boost. You can go up here, upgrade things, buy things like, I want to buy one of the mystery box. You buy it, 300 coins. You get something like this, and I don't want to double it. If you wanted to, you could double it, but it's commercial, and you know how I hate commercials. I mean, like, they're my least favorite things made. That's pretty much it. See you in the next video.